We are concerned about the number of hospitalizations for COVID-19 continuing to go up.
Tonight, the number of people in the hospital continues to be higher than what it was last week.
Yes, this is one of the key trends that the state uses to decide if we can move forward with more in the reopening plan. There are 708 people in the hospital right now with COVID-19, 6 more than yesterday and 130 more than this same time a week ago. Today, the state Senate actually voted to reopen bars in the midst of this.
It still needs to vote from the House to make that happen, but the governor was not thrilled with that vote. Let's bring in our government reporter, Joe Bruno, tonight. Joe, the governor says evidence shows that he believes we're not ready to open up businesses like bars yet.
Yeah, we're continuing to see new cases continue to increase, and we are also seeing a record amount of hospitalizations. But officials say it's important to look at all of this data together. We're at our highest point for hospitalizations so far, 708 people. An additional 784 people tested positive today, representing about 8% of the tests administered. The data is not perfect, though, and the governor says the hospital systems are in a good position to handle the caseload right now. There's been some fluctuation of the percent positive statistic, but that really varies based on how testing is administered that day and if congregate living facilities are being tested in mass numbers. Still, the governor says the metrics show why North Carolina needs to take a slow reopening approach. This comes as lawmakers passed a bill that would allow bars to reopen.
We're 6 days into phase 2, and on a day when we're seeing some of our highest numbers of hospitalizations and death, the Senate wants to open bars.
In addition to allowing bars to reopen, the bill would allow restaurants to expand their outdoor seating capacity. The governor does not.
Well, Joe, the president gave Governor Cooper a deadline of 1 week to decide if Republicans could pack the Spectrum Center for the Republican National Convention. The governor addressed that as well. The governor says that he would like for the RNC to be in Charlotte. We don't know yet if it would be able to be at full capacity. The governor said that he wants to hold the event, but of course it has to be safe. And Dr. Mandy Cohen says they asked the RNC for its plans on how they would propose to hold the RNC. Well, the governor and North Carolina DHHS confirmed that the RNC has not yet responded to that request for information, so they don't yet have that to act on.